with Peltier technology. This mini dehumidifier is ultra-quiet. Noise is below 30 dB with no annoying sound. It will not disturb your work, study, and entertainment, and the dehumidifier is also very suitable for use at night and in the bedroom, baby room. It is perfect for use in small spaces such as your kitchen, garage, basement, caravan, wardrobe, and boat, quickly by removing the excess water in any part of your place. Our dehumidifier can provide greater comfort for your life. A dehumidifier protects your home and stays away from excess water circumstances. Make your life full of ease. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Designed with innovative safe whisper quiet Peltier technology. Quickly remove excess water around you. Absorb the excess water in any part of your place. It can provide greater comfort for your life. Number 2. High humidity dehumidifier. Removing up to 250 milliliters of water each day. Afloia dehumidifier extracts excess moisture from the air, reducing humidity and keeping the humidity of the room at a comfortable 40% to 60%. To avoid mold, odor, furniture damage, respiratory infections, and skin diseases caused by excessive humidity. Number 3. One-button control. When you connect the small dehumidifier to the power source, click the on-off button. On will be displayed in green, indicating that the home dehumidifier has been turned on. The simple operation is very suitable for the elderly and children, and also very suitable as a heartwarming gift to friends and family. Number 4. Auto shut-off function. When the water of the tank is full, the Afloia dehumidifier will automatically shut off and the LED light will turn on to protect from the risk of overflow. After pouring the water, put the water box back to its original position and press the power button to turn on the dehumidifier and it will restart. Number 5. Compact and portable dehumidifier. 8.3 by 5.1 by 4.3 inches compact and lightweight dehumidifier can be easily moved to the bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, closets, safes, office, and RV. 500 milliliters water tank is also sufficient to meet daily needs. Small capacity. Pour water frequently to avoid the growth of bacteria. Number 6. Best after-sales service. The Afloia room dehumidifiers enjoy 2 years warranty. If you encounter any problems, don't worry, you can contact Afloia customer service immediately. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.